Hi, this is Lee Gettess with the weekly analysis market sense for the week of February 9th, 2010. This is just weekly analysis I do, try to tell you what I think the weekly bar is shaping up like. All charts we'll be looking at are provided by Genesis Financial Technologies and their Trade Navigator software. Let's start with the Treasury bond market. We have an inside bar so far this week, and I'm kind of not sure they're going to do much of anything else. If I throw my cursor up here, and I hope you can see me moving this little cursor back and forth, it's way better than drawing more lines on the chart since I've got so much crap on there already. I hate to make it so you can't see it at all. But the red line we had sort of suspecting where a top might be was at 119.10 this week, and the top so far is 11. And now they've broken down just below 118.16 here, and I've got support roughly at 118 even. The low so far is 04. It's indeed possible that they're done. I mean, that could be just all they do this week. They've been sideways for the most part of the last 3 weeks, and that may be all they do here. If they do make a move in either direction, it's possible that they could go up here to roughly the 120.10 area. I think it's more likely that they could break down here, which is around 117.06, 08 in that area. I think that's more likely if they're going to make a move. But, we don't have a ton of economic news this week. We're kind of trading off of what's going on in Europe and will the ECB bail out Greece and all that kind of stuff. So it's possible that they're just not going to do anything this week and we're done already. And the same thing could be true in the stock market. This is the E-mini representing the S&P. And, they broke down really nice and hard for 3 weeks straight after being at highs there in January. And this purple line I was talking about for months here as being a good place for them to stall and buy. And I do still believe that they're going to be at new highs again. The thing is, the momentum was so hard breaking down that I kind of think they need to go sideways in here. I don't think they can just spring right back up. I think they might need to take a little time and go sideways. So the little bar we have so far this week, the target on the upside here is about 1085. I really don't have a whole lot of confidence that they can get there. I think this area here that they're trading around, I think that's about 1064, 1065 is the red line. I think they might just sort of go back and forth either side of that, and I think there's even a risk they could break down to this blue line, which is the 1033 area. There's a possibility that they could make new lows again, but I really think the greatest likelihood is for them to kind of go sideways around this purple line and maybe down this red line, and possibly for a couple more weeks here. I think it might take a little time for them to accumulate before they can drive back to new highs. In the big picture, I do still think we will see new highs in this market. Of course, I'm a real short-term trader. My long-term viewpoint is as worthless as anybody's, guys. So that's really all I can tell you this week. I certainly hope you can find something good and profitable to trade. Thanks for checking in, and good luck.